Are you searching for online proofreading jobs? If so, this video is perfect for you. Many people have reached out to me asking how to find online proofreading jobs, which inspired me to create this video. In it, I'll show you 5 realistic and practical ways to find flexible proofreading jobs that you can do comfortably from your home. This not only allows you the freedom to work according to your own schedule, but also helps you balance personal life and professional commitments seamlessly, giving you control over how and when you work. Before we dive into the options, let's talk about the skills you need for online proofreading jobs. Generally, you don't need any specific degree for most of these jobs. However, you must have excellent grammar skills and a keen eye for detail. Your main task will be to spot small mistakes in texts, and not just in English. There are opportunities in other languages too. Also, I know some of you might wonder if proofreading is still relevant with all the AI tools available. Yes, it definitely is. While AI tools like spell checkers and grammar checkers are helpful, they can't replace the human eye. Companies and individuals still rely on human proofreaders to ensure their content is accurate and makes sense. So yes, there are still plenty of job opportunities in this field. Let's explore more about what you need to get started. Before we dive into how to find online proofreading jobs, let's talk about how much you might earn. The pay can vary a lot based on the job, your experience, and the country you live in. In some places, wages are higher because the cost of living is also higher. Generally, you might see wages ranging from $10 to $50 per hour, or even more, depending on these factors. Now, let's look at 5 ways to start looking for these jobs. First up, there's a website called FlexJobs. It's a great site for finding remote work, not just proofreading jobs. You can search for proofreader positions, and at the moment, there are 281 available jobs. You can filter these jobs by career level, job type like full-time or part-time, and whether they're temporary or freelance positions. You can also select jobs that are either 100% remote or hybrid. It's important to know that FlexJobs charges a small fee to access detailed job information, but it's generally under $10 for a trial. They charge this fee because they thoroughly check each job listing to avoid scams, which can save you time and protect you from fraud. FlexJobs also offers tools to help in your job search, making it a valuable resource if you're serious about finding a remote job. The next option to consider is BABBLETYPE, where you can find proofreading and transcription jobs. They have more details on their website. I'll also include a link below to a full list on my website, where you can find additional options, complete tutorials, and links to help you get started with the services that interest you. BABBLETYPE specifically looks for people who are long-term residents of the US, Canada, UK, Ireland, or Australia, and they also offer translation jobs. So, if you've lived in these countries for a long time, you might find good opportunities here. Another platform to check out is Keybin, which helps people with editing and other similar tasks. They also need proofreaders and editors. However, be aware that Keybin doesn't always accept new applicants. That's why it's a good idea to apply for multiple jobs at once. There's no guarantee you'll get hired right away, and applying to several places ensures you have more options. This approach is especially useful if you're looking for freelance work, as it helps maintain a steady flow of jobs. We have a couple more websites to discuss. If you could take a second to like this video, it would really help more people see it, and I would greatly appreciate your support. The next option is perfect if you're looking to become a freelancer. Fiverr is one of the most well-known freelance platforms where you can find a variety of jobs, including proofreading. For example, you can find someone offering to edit and proofread a romance book for 45 euros, and this person has been reviewed by 355 people. indicating they've likely worked with at least that many clients. Another freelancer charges around $30, and they have 68 reviews. Building a reputation on Fiverr takes time, but it's definitely achievable, and the platform offers great flexibility since you can accept jobs according to your own schedule. The last option I want to talk about is GRAMLEE, a site that hires content editors. You can visit their website to see what they offer and apply for a position. If accepted, you'll gain access to their client database, where you can find various jobs and potentially earn good money. As you can see, if you're looking for online proofreading jobs, there are plenty of platforms available. I've mentioned just a few examples here, but in the video description, you'll find a link to a website with a list that includes even more options. There, you'll also find full tutorials and links to join these platforms, so you can start easily with the ones you're interested in. However, if you're aiming to build your own online business and work entirely on your own terms, without depending on being hired by others, I have information on the steps I took to gain this independence. I'll leave a link below for more details if that's what you're interested in. Thank you for watching this guide on finding online proofreading jobs. We covered a lot of ground, and I hope you found the insights and resources shared in this video useful. Remember, whether you're looking for a side gig or a full-time remote opportunity, there's a world of possibilities out there just waiting for your skills. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Profitability Plus. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content designed to help you find flexible work opportunities and grow your online business. For more detailed guides, links to job platforms, and additional resources, check out the description below. And if you're looking to start your own online business, you'll also find a link to more information on that. Thanks again for joining me today. Your support means the world to us here at Profitability Plus. We look forward to helping you achieve your professional goals. Catch you in the next video.